Ever pondered over the secret to cooking the perfect pan-seared ribeye steak? Well, the answer lies in a few simple steps that are easy to follow and guarantee a juicy, tender, and flavorful steak every time. First things first, the steak needs some time to acclimate. Take that ribeye out of the chill of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about half an hour. This little trick ensures even cooking. Next, give your steak a good pat down with some paper towels. This removes any excess moisture, setting the stage for a great sear. Once the steak is dry, it's time for some seasoning. A generous sprinkle of salt and pepper on both sides should do the trick. If you're feeling adventurous, feel free to experiment with other seasonings like garlic powder or rosemary. Now it's time to turn up the heat. Place a heavy-bottomed skillet, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat. Let it preheat until it's sizzling hot. A little water test can confirm this. Simply sprinkle a few drops into the pan. If they sizzle and evaporate immediately, you're good to go. With the stage set, add a dollop of olive oil or butter to the pan, swirling it around for an even coat. Then, with a sizzle and a pop, place the seasoned ribeye steak in the pan. Now patience is key. Let the steak sear undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will create a deliciously crusty exterior. Flip the steak with tongs and repeat the process on the other side. The time can be tweaked based on your preferred level of doneness, whether it be rare, or medium. To make sure your steak is cooked just the way you like it, use a trusty meat thermometer. For a mouth-wateringly medium-rare steak, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your steak is cooked to perfection, take it off the pan and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This gives the juices time to redistribute, ensuring every bite is juicy and tender. After the rest, slice the steak against the grain for maximum tenderness. Then all that's left is to serve it with your favorite sides and enjoy the fruits of your culinary prowess. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to cooking steak. Don't be afraid to adjust cooking times based on the thickness of your steak and your preferred level of doneness. With these steps in your culinary repertoire, the perfect pan-seared ribeye steak is just a skillet away.